Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best brake bleeder kits on Amazon. It's easy to develop something of a love-hate relationship with brake bleeding tools. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. HTOMT 2-in-1 Brake Bleeder Kit Handheld Vacuum Pump Test Set. Saving money doesn't mean you need to get ripped off. This set from HTOMT is an excellent example of what we're talking about, as it includes the vacuum brake bleeder, along with a decent combination of attachments that allows you to hook up to various bleeder valves and use the tool for other special purposes. As if that weren't enough, it also comes with a nice storage case to help you keep track of all the parts. The various tube lengths included also give you the means to work under the wheel of virtually any application without worrying about snags or the line being too short to work properly. What we like about it? Affordable price point. Includes attachments for various projects. Storage case included. What we don't like about it? Relatively low durability. Leaks are often an issue. Limited attachments for bleeder valves. Number 2. Medivac Hydraulic Brake and Clutch Pressure Bleeding System. This kit comes with everything you need to pressure bleed brakes on most applications, the quality being better than most is just a cherry on top. While there's a lot of good about vacuum-type bleeders, they aren't your only option. In fact, applying pressure rather than a vacuum can make your life a lot easier. Here we have an excellent option from Medivac as it taps into the master cylinder to pressurize it, allowing you to quickly move from wheel to remove air from the lines. It is extremely easy to use, and the range of attachments included allows you to hook up to many different applications. What we like about it? Pressurizes the system to save time while working. Continuously adds fresh fluid to the system. Compatible with most applications. Storage case included high-quality construction. What we don't like about it? Premium price point. One may not have use for all attachments. Setting up and stopping leaks can be time-consuming. Number 3. 4Uncle's 2L Vacuum Brake Bleeder Air Brake Bleeder Kit. Good tools eliminate as much work as possible, and that's exactly what this kit does. Looking for the easiest way to bleed your brakes? Then you need to eliminate as much manual labor as possible, and that's exactly what this kit from 4Uncle's does. Instead of you having to build a vacuum by hand, this system relies on an air compressor to do the work for you. Not only does that cut down on work for you, but it also speeds the process up quite a bit. Don't worry, the included reservoir helps you to eliminate the risk of sucking the system dry. What we like about it? Eliminates manual input. Relatively affordable price point. High-quality construction. Air fittings included. What we don't like about it? Relies on the air compressor to function. Limited bleeder valve connections included. Number 4. Orion Motor Tech Brake Pressure Bleeder. This is a direct competitor to the above product by motive, and we think it could just barely edge it in value. This kit has an excellent entry price for a pressure bleeder and ensures your next brake fluid change is flawless. On top of that, it comes equipped with a brake fluid reservoir cap that fits most European vehicles, though other applications are available. This type of system is easy to use, just make sure the cap is fastened down tight. You can either fill the bottle or fill the reservoir and just use the bottle as a pressure source, just be careful as the latter can introduce unwanted air into the system if the reservoir level isn't high enough. What we like about it? Very appealing pricing. Fits most European cars and newer models. High pressure reserves makes it easy to start at the rear wheels and move forward without having to continually repump. Pushes fresh fluid into the system. What we don't like about it? Setup can be a tad confusing. The system can leak if all attachments aren't on tight, like leak a lot. Number 5. M-Tools OneMan Brake Bleeder and Vacuum Pump Test Kit. The quality, performance, and multi-purpose function of this model makes it a great addition to any dealer's collection. OEM Tools is known for supplying respectable specialty tools the dealer can depend on to keep them motoring along safely. This is a vacuum brake bleeder that comes with all the attachments you need to hook up to most bleeder valves or use to perform additional specialty tasks. What we like about it? High-quality construction. Attachments cover a wide range of applications. Builds vacuum quickly. Can be used for other specialty work. What we don't like about it. Quality control issues are somewhat common. May not create a proper seal on select applications. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.